Hey, what's up, amigos? What we got today, Sammy gonna tell you.
I have a big egg.
Wow! I have even bigger. Oh, maybe not this one. Anyway, I have a big egg as well, but it's typical for men. Bang! Oh, Disney Frozen. Maybe it's for girls. Oh wait, maybe Mom gonna open this one. We'll see. I can try to open that one. What's that, Sammy?
Troll!
Troll's big egg. But actually they say what is inside. What's the point? Okay, what we can do with them, Sammy, first. We can juggling with them.
Yeah!
Can you do this? Sammy is a good juggler. Look, we have just with 2, but Sammy can do with 5. Come and try. You want to take 3?
I throw it here.
Oh yeah, you wanted to eat this egg. Okay, Sammy, can you try something like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh. Are you sure? Okay. Or maybe big and small. I wish to.
I can do it with 1.
Okay. Wow. Good. Oh. Don't hurt yourself. Can I try with 3 of them?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do this, but I can try. How? I can do that with 3.
Almost there.
Okay, try again. I was close. Anyway, let's see what we get. So we have 3 eggs here.
Wow!
And flying Sammy.
4 eggs.
Actually 4. 3 big ones and 1
Small one.
small. Surprise inside. Disney cars. We see the car right here. Here they show some stickers and coloring stuff.
And here it says surprise inside.
L. And they call them actually XXL Surprise X. Interesting. That's the same stuff. Surprise inside. We'll see if they can surprise us.
Yes, I hope.
What is cool, this egg, the big one, is actually the same like small one. Do you think they have the same stuff inside? Just a smaller one?
No. Where's the small one?
Cool.
Oh, baby. So it's actually a pretty cool game.
Is it a game?
I don't know.
Seems like we have a sticker and some stamps. But this one is broken. It's not anymore. 12, I think, or 2.
No, I want with my hands.
What's that?
5.
5. Looks like 2 here. Okay, and this one? Oh, what's that?
Whoa!
95. So now Sammy's opening the big Disney Pixar Cars surprise egg.
And it's gonna be awesome. There we go.
Yep.
Tape.
Oh, there must be some tape, yeah? No tape. Okay. Is there any surprise?
No.
Eraser, that's surprise, I think.
Maybe. Wait. Let's see.
A lot of stickers.
And that's.
Yep, coloring cards. 3 of them. Eraser. Crayons. And a pen. And the pen is surprise, I guess. Because when we look here, we see all the stuff, just not the pen. Interesting. Troll's egg. And we see similar stuff here. Crayons. There is a razor. Pen. But surprise inside. Let's see if we have any surprise right there. Huh.
Crayons,
Yeah.
pen, stickers.
They are not stickers.
Oh,
Just pages to color. To put colors on.
stickers,
Stickers are nice.
stickers,
Hmm.
and stickers, and stickers.
A lot of stickers.
Whoa! That is a big one.
Big razor. Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yes.
Where is the pen? Oh, there is a pen.
No surprise.
Surprise is the eraser is big. That's the only surprise.
Oh.
We need to cut your hair, Sammy.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to open the last one?
No, because
No?
no, because there's no mommy.
Mommy's not around.
Yeah,
She went somewhere for shopping.
not today.
Okay, I don't know. Should we open anything else?
We don't have.
Or you want to color it, Sammy, now?
No.
Okay.
We can and put some stickers maybe.
Where? Here on the camera? Like that?
Yes. Yes.
Stay with us, guys, and watch us next time.
Bye bye. Thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and watch us next time. And
If you
click
want to
the
go-
bell if you want
okay.
notifications about our videos.
Okay. Can you change the formula on the end? Can you say something else?
And the goodbye frozen egg.
Okay, bye.
Bye.